Okay, so today we will be using Lussac's law. A pilot is ready to fly. His unpressurized oxygen tank has a pressure of 101 kPa and an internal temperature of 22 degrees Celsius before his flight. The air from the tank cannot be colder than the freezing temperature of water, 0 degrees Celsius, or his lungs will freeze. How many meters up can the pilot fly? Assume that for every 100 meters in altitude, air pressure drops 1 kPa. So let's first identify our givens. He has an initial pressure of 101 kPa and an initial temperature of 22 degrees Celsius before his flight. And he has a final temperature which cannot be more than 0 degrees Celsius. Let's write that on our paper. And convert it to the proper units. So fortunately for us, the initial pressure is already given in kilopascals. So the initial pressure is 101 kilopascals. The initial temperature is given to us as 22 degrees Celsius. We need to convert that to Kelvin for this to work. To convert it to Kelvin, we add 273, and that comes out to 295 Kelvin. Our final temperature can't be more than 0 degrees Celsius. So to convert that to Kelvin, we add 273, and that comes out to 273 Kelvin. We don't know the final pressure. So to calculate this, we plug it into Lussac's formula. So that's P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2. Since we're solving for the final pressure, we rearrange the formula using simple algebra. That comes out to P2 equals T2 times P1 over T1. Then we simply plug in our givens into the formula. So then we get P2 equals 273 Kelvin times 101 kPa divided by 295 Kelvin. We then use simple algebra to solve. And we find the final pressure is 93.467 kilopascals. But we're not done yet. We need to find out exactly how high he can go up. So to do that, we take the initial pressure, which is 101 kPa, and subtract 93.467 kPa from that, and we get 7.532 kilopascals. Since we know that for every 100 meters in altitude, air pressure drops 1 kilopascal, we take 7.532 and times it by 100 meters. And that comes out to 753 meters. We then use significant figures to arrive at our final answer, 750 meters. So the pilot can fly up to 750 meters high. Okay, so we've solved our problem.